Is your Golf showing a key battery low message on the dash? Don't take it to the main dealer, they'll charge you far too much. I'm going to show you how to fix it yourself in about 30 seconds for a couple of quid. First, press the silver button to flip the key blade out. You can't get to the battery while the blade is tucked away. You only need one thing, a CR 2025 3 volts battery. You can get these at any supermarket. You don't really need tools, but a flat blade screwdriver might help. Look at the slot where the key blade normally sits. Put your thumb or your screwdriver under the plastic edge and lever it upwards. Give it a firm pop and the back cover will snap right off. There's the battery. Make sure the plus side with the writing is facing up towards you. Use your fingernail or a flat screwdriver to slide it out and pop the new one in. Make sure it clicks into place. Line the cover up and squeeze it until it clicks shut. Give it a quick test, press a button and check if the little red light flashes. If it does, you're sorted. And that's it, job done. No more warnings on the dash and no expensive garage bills. If this helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe for more quick tips. Cheers.